That's fast. That's fast.
This video has been sponsored by Athletic Greens, and today I want to show you about AG1. AG1 is the ultimate way to consume your daily dose of basically everything that your body needs, such as multivitamins, multiminerals, prebiotics and probiotics. Making a serving of AG1 literally takes a matter of seconds. You simply just add 1 scoop to 250 to 350 milliliters of water, and there you have it. Simple as that. Now for me personally, my days are pretty much all systems go from the minute that I wake up. And so to have something like AG1, which contains everything that my body needs each day, is fantastic. One serving of this each day gives you a comprehensive blend of essentials to support immunity and well-being, and each pack will also keep you going for about a month. Now feel free to click my link below for 1 year's supply of their vitamins supporting D3K2 plus 5 travel packs for free on your first purchase. Their products are something which I've stood by for as long as I can remember, so it's great to have the opportunity to tell you guys about them. Anyway, I've got a day to do. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with another A45, not an S, this is the original generation, the OG A45, and it's actually pretty rare that someone sends one of these to space. This is a full stage 3 hybrid turbo car, methane injected as well. It's also built by EST, the same company who are also working on my A45S. We will of course catch up with Amar, the owner, because he's done a lot to this car. He's had it a couple of years and it looks mega. So we'll get him on camera, we'll have a run around it, and then we'll go out for a spin in this 550 brake stage 3 A45. Okay, so we're joined now with Amar, the owner. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this thing down.
No problem, man.
550 brake A45.
Yeah, man. Stage
that
3.
is serious.
It's a beast. It's a beast, man. It's a beast.
When we arranged this, I was like, you know what? It's so nice to see someone go mad on one of these.
Yeah, because not many people have pushed this platform. You don't really see many around. So obviously I had ESC contact me before Christmas telling me they got a new turbo with Litco. Yeah. And I said to them, sign me up, I'm there. Do it, man, I'm there. Do what you got to do.
Absolutely, absolutely. Man, we'll dive straight in, obviously, because we've got the bonnet up. As you said, hybrid turbo, you can see it right there. Did you say Litco turbo?
That's it, man. Litco turbo, it's the first one in development, first one on my car. Journal bearing turbo, like the OEM one. Yeah. Bigger compression turbine. It's an animal, honestly.
Did you have stage 2 before?
I bought the car originally on stock, and then I wanted to go stage 2. So I took it straight to EST, Google figures out stage 2, and then I wanted to go stage 3 eventually. So what I did, slowly by slowly, I tried to enjoy the power stage by stage. So I went stage 2, then I took it down to get MEF kit on the stock turbo. So on stage 2 with MEF, I was running about 460 brakes. So that was one of the fastest stock turbos on this platform.
Nice.
So I was pushing the turbo to the limit, and then obviously EST contacted me for stage 3, and I said,
go for
mate,
it.
I'm there.
Why not? So you say meth injected as well?
Yeah, meth injected, mate. I've got V3 AEM methanol injection kit in the boot, and I've got upgraded Wagner radiators. Obviously, I've got the EST intake, and I've just got a Cobra decap, mate. Yeah, man.
So just the usual stage 3 bolt-ons, really?
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it.
Was it a full system or just a downpipe?
It's just a downpipe.
Just a downpipe.
Just a downpipe, yeah. Because it's loud as it is, and I've got the obviously the AMG exhaust as well. So,
of course, that is true. That is true.
The valves on there as well.
Visually as well, it looks proper menacing. You've got some nice carbon bits on it as well.
Yeah.
Front wings, bonnet, that kind of thing. I'm loving the black and green as well.
Yeah, it's different colour. Not many people go with black and green. Obviously with the carbon, it makes the front end look a lot aggressive because it's a bit more flared.
For sure.
Compared to OEM.
For sure, absolutely.
And the guy who sold me the A45 carbon bits, thank you so much. I know you want them back. I know you want them back.
They're rare.
I appreciate
rare
it.
Loot. Rare loot. But yeah, mate, no, it's a stunning looking thing. No, really, really cool. It's nice to kind of have a look at the original one again. I mean, yeah, moving around suspension-wise.
Suspension-wise, I've got H&R lowering springs, and obviously I've got the adaptive Mercedes suspension. It handles perfectly, mate. Handles perfectly.
absolutely. Stock brakes, everything like that.
Stock brakes,
wheels.
everything. Yeah, stock brakes, mate.
Cool. But yeah, 550 brakes.
Yeah, man. And
That
the torque is more impressive for me as well. I've got 650 newton meters of torque.
Wow.
And
okay.
even on the low rev range, you feel it.
Yeah.
Honestly, it just pulls. Compared to a stock turbo, you die down mid-range and high RPM.
Yeah.
Whereas this new turbo, you feel the torque at lower rev range. So
and
honestly,
it just goes all the way up.
Yeah, all the way,
all
mate.
The way
Don't run out of juice. Don't run out of juice.
Wicked.
Man.
All right. Well, if that's pretty much everything, I think we'll hop in, get it fired up, and go for a spin.
Ready when you are, man.
Let's do it.
Ready when you are.
Yeah, that's fast. That's fast. Oh, they sound so good, these ones, though.
Yeah, man, they do, man. They get the occasional pops and race mode.
Yeah. I mean, the burbles are all OEM, really, aren't they?
Well, to be fair, once they mapped it, the burbles went a bit quieter. There was less burbles.
Really?
So it's more engine noise, but I prefer that anyway.
Yeah,
I prefer
absolutely.
like hearing more engine noise. I like hearing the intake and the turbo.
Yeah. It's so linear, isn't it?
It is, mate. And the higher RPM you go, it just keeps going, keeps pulling.
Yeah.
Like with the stock turbo, bite towards higher RPM, you'd have gone dead. It feels dull.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Tails off.
Yeah, it really goes dull, man. But with this, it just keeps pulling.
You can hear it spooling up as well.
You can hear it as well with the intake as well.
Yeah.
You're both going together. And you obviously got the few pops and bangs.
Yeah. I bet you're really happy
I love
with
it, man. Honestly, I love the power delivery. I love it. When I first jumped in there, I was glued back to my seat. I was like, whoa, whoa, man, I haven't had that feeling in ages.
Yeah.
I've not had that feeling in ages.
Even short shifting.
Short shifting, yeah.
The torque is really
that's
strong.
the main thing I was impressed with, the torque. But obviously brake horsepower is good, but you want the torque on the road, don't you?
Yeah. That's really strong.
Proper, man. Proper, man, honestly.
You had the TCU done as well, gearbox.
Yeah, I had the gearbox done as well, man. Yeah, obviously with the torque I'm pushing, so the gearbox has to be remapped.
Yeah. It's so quick.
Honestly, mate, I love it. I love it. Hooks up and goes. Hooks up and goes. Yeah, honestly.
It's fast.
Yeah, honestly, it is, man. It is. It's like a go-kart. It's like a go-kart on steroids with a turbo.
And it sounds amazing as well.
Man, it does. I love the exhaust.
Stock catback just with the Cobra downpipe.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I've also got the AMG exhaust button as well.
Yeah,
with the valve.
yeah, absolutely. I hope they can hear all the noises coming from up there.
That's what I mean. I prefer the noises coming from under the hood than from the exhaust, man. So the intake and everything, man. But I was worried when they done the turbo. I thought, oh, what about traction and stuff? Obviously, being four-wheel drive, you still think got to take traction in consideration. But even with the traction, mate, it's fine. Like when I picked it up, it was a bit of a damp day, wet roads. Even then, I was giving it a blast, mate. Just gripped up. Yeah. Obviously, with the PS4Ss, you can't go wrong with them, mate. Can't go wrong with them.
So obviously, currently you're running about 550.
About 550, yeah.
Is there any more you can get out of it?
Yeah, there is. I've ordered a high pressure fuel pump because obviously I was planning to go more when I took the car to EST.
Okay.
Obviously the fuel pump is obviously it was at its max limit, so I've ordered a high pressure fuel pump. But I've said to Yusuf, obviously at EST, I said to him, I'm going to enjoy the power now for a couple of months, then closer to summer, I'll take it there.
Good idea.
And we'll try and get some more numbers. Hopefully more close to 600 brake.
Wow.
Hopefully, yeah.
That would be cool.
Yeah, because you don't really see, like I said, many W176 platforms with this kind of power.
Yeah,
mainly it's limited to like stage 2, and that's it. But obviously, this new turbo that they've got with Litco, hopefully it takes this platform to the next level.
Yeah, for sure. Well, evidently so.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
an
absolute rocket ship.
Honestly.
So good. Oh, that downshift. Third gear is brutal, isn't it?
Proper, man, proper.
Wow.
Sorry.
a fast car.
That's mate, honestly.
It's a proper fast car.
All I need now is a bigger meth tank.
Yeah.
That's all I need, mate.
Does it go through it?
Yeah, and when I'm flooring it, obviously, because it's a 5 litre meth tank.
Yeah.
So obviously I'm always flooring it now, mate. It goes instantly, mate. Need a bigger one. Need a bigger one, mate.
It's not what your boots full of.
Mate,
It's got the meth tank
mate,
and then the meth.
That's it, man. Oh, mate.
What a car.
Shit, man.
What a car.
I feel like stock, they're fast cars,
Yeah.
but they're quite dull, like when they're stock.
They do dope, yeah.
They're very, because they're obviously refined cars as it is.
Yeah.
So when I had it stock, obviously I bought the car stock, 6 months, like after about 6 months, I felt like it's a bit boring now. And then obviously I went stage 2, I enjoyed it, and then I started to get that same feeling again on stage 2, and now mate.
Now look.
No, I don't think I'm getting bored anytime soon. No chance, man.
Definitely not. But mate, no, thank you so much
That's all right, man.
for taking me out.
No problem, man.
Wicked
No problem.
fun.
It's
Of
all
course, if you guys at home do want to learn more about the build, I will leave Amar's Instagram link down in the description down below. But yeah, for me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.